Updating your Dell Docking Station drivers is crucial for optimal performance. These updates fix bugs that can cause connectivity issues and improve data transfer speeds, especially through USB-C and Thunderbolt connections. Driver updates also enhance security by patching vulnerabilities that could be exploited, and they add new features like improved power management and better multi-monitor support. Finally, keeping your drivers current ensures compatibility with the latest operating systems and peripherals, preventing issues with newer hardware and software. Dell Support Assist is the easiest way to update your docking station drivers. It automatically detects and installs the latest drivers for models like WD22TB, WD19TB, and WD15X. Support Assist uses AI to proactively identify and apply updates. Simply open Dell Support Assist and allow it to scan for available updates. The application will then install the updates automatically. Here's what the Support Assist interface looks like, showing the options to run scans and updates. The home screen shows available updates and maintenance options. This process minimizes downtime and ensures your docking station performs optimally. Windows 11's Enhanced Update Assistant supports Dell Docking Stations natively. This method ensures compatibility with your operating system and helps maintain overall system stability. First, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. Navigate to the Windows Updates section in Settings. Click Check for Updates to scan for available driver updates for your Dell docking station. If updates are found, install them. This process may require a restart. The update ensures your Dell dock works seamlessly with Windows 11 and maintains system stability. Start by visiting Dell's support website at support.dell.com. This is the official site where you can access drivers for your docking station. On the website, enter your dock's service tag or model number. This ensures you get the exact drivers for your specific docking station model. Once you've entered the details, find the correct drivers for your docking station. Download the latest driver package from the results. After downloading, run the installer as an administrator. Right-click the downloaded file and select Run as Administrator to ensure proper installation. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The installer will guide you through the process step by step. For macOS users, start by identifying your Dell docking station using Apple's System Report. This built-in tool shows detailed hardware information. Next, check driver compatibility using Dell's Boot Camp tools. These tools ensure the drivers work correctly with your specific macOS version and dock model. Then, visit Dell's support website to download the latest macOS drivers specifically for your docking station model. Finally, run the downloaded installer and follow the provided instructions carefully. Be sure to restart your Mac when prompted to apply the changes. Before updating your Dell docking station drivers, ensure your laptop has the latest operating system updates, such as Windows 11 version 24H2 or later. This prevents compatibility issues and ensures smooth driver installation. Next, back up your important data to prevent any potential data loss during the update process. Use reliable backup methods to save your files to both local and remote storage. Finally, close all running applications before starting the driver update. This helps avoid conflicts and ensures the update process runs smoothly without interruptions. A common issue when updating Dell docking station drivers is driver conflicts. Old drivers can interfere with new installations, causing errors or reduced performance. To resolve conflicts, uninstall old drivers before installing new ones. Open Device Manager, right-click the device, and select Uninstall. Always verify that your docking station hardware is compatible with the driver. For example, check for proper Thunderbolt certification to ensure smooth operation. If you encounter installation errors, restart your computer after the update process. This allows the new drivers to load properly, resolving temporary issues. For model-specific issues, visit Dell's support forums or website. Search for your docking station model to find detailed troubleshooting guides and user experiences. The future of Dell docking station updates brings significant advancements. Expect zero-touch updates powered by AI, which will predict and apply driver updates based on your usage patterns, minimizing downtime. Dell is moving towards more open standards to ensure broader compatibility with various devices. Cloud integration will enable remote updates in enterprise environments, simplifying management for IT teams. Energy-efficient drivers will become standard, supporting eco-friendly docks with better power management. Quantum-resistant encryption may emerge to protect against evolving cyber threats in future updates. These innovations will make Dell Docking Station updates more seamless and secure.